Starting with WGN's Jenna Barnes tonight in Algonquin. Just under a foot of snow is on the ground there, Jenna.
Yeah, Micah and Ray, this is what parking lots all across Algonquin look like tonight. Huge piles of plowed snow because this area received nearly a foot. Tonight, we caught up with people who are digging out before the next round. The empty path on this snow-covered sidewalk is all thanks to Benito Cano.
When I see the snow, I got the machine, put the gas on, and do around the blocks.
Snow blowing a safe passage, not only outside his home, but his neighbors too.
They don't have the machine, and especially for the elderly people.
He's lending a hand in the hardest hit part of the Chicago area. Algonquin saw only a brief changeover to rain, the snow piling up close to a foot. And that made for one special snow day. In nearby West Dundee, kids spent their surprise day off from school on their sleds at Randall Oaks Park.
It's a lot better being here than school and spending time with my brothers.
I was going to have a calculus quiz today, but I'm out here going sledding, having some good old-fashioned fun, so I say it's an improvement.
The Adamczyk family did work math and science into their fun.
It's building a big wall. We're going to try and crash into it coming from the top.
This heavy, wet snow is the right consistency for the construction of walls.
Yeah! I can throw somebody!
And snowballs.
Kind of like roll it up or smash it together.
You can't beat it, you know. We've been kind of having that odd weather over the last few years, so it's nice to get out and, enjoy the weather and not be too cold and have some fun,
The downside is getting up the hill to leave the park. We saw many families forced out of their vans to push. Plows clearing other roads of snow and slush as Benito Cano clears the way for his neighbors.
I always like to help people,
And he says he's going to head inside, treat himself to a coffee tonight to warm up, and he'll be ready to head back out tomorrow to clear whatever new accumulation we receive here. We're live in Algonquin tonight. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.